Let's talk about the machine learning algorithm that most data scientists first turn to, XGBoost. XGBoost is an implementation of gradient boosting. In gradient boosting, you iteratively build models to predict your data. So you start with one model and performs poorly. You find the errors that this model makes, and then you create a new model to correct the errors of the first model. Then you look at the error that is created by the combination of model 1 and 2, and then you create another model to correct for this error. Then you take the errors that are created by the combination of models 1, 2, and 3, and you create another model to correct for this error. And you keep doing this iteratively, improving performance with each iteration. XGBoost has risen to prominence as being an algorithm that wins many competitions, and it does so quickly and easily. For that reason, we are going to make great usage of XGBoost. Now I'll be showing you how to use XGBoost in Python. So first thing I'm going to do is just load some data, the standard iris dataset. Next thing I'm going to do is create a train test split, as is usual for us. Then I'm going to import XGBoost, instantiate a classifier, and fit it to the training data and label. As you can see, an XGBoost classifier is created with the default parameters, which you can later tune as we do in the hyperparameter section. The next step is to predict on the test set, and because XGBoost gives us probabilities, we'll want to round them to obtain actual verdicts. Now we want to assess how it did, so I'm going to import accuracy score from scikit-learn, and I'm going to calculate the accuracy, obtaining 93%. Now, as an aside, unless you understand the data and have a clear goal, this number really doesn't mean much. It's the application that determines if this number is high, low, or even an appropriate metric. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss how to use natural language in your machine learning algorithms. See you there.